Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start now by ensuring your device is plugged in or above 20% so updates don't interrupt. Open Settings and go straight to Battery, Apps, or General depending on your OS. Find the list of installed apps and pick one you want to stop refreshing. You're doing this to save battery and data. Once you tap an app, prepare to change its background refresh or permissions. Make sure notifications are visible so you can verify changes later. Once in the app details, toggle background app refresh or background activity off. That immediately stops periodic network calls. Next, restrict cellular or Wi-Fi access for that app if you need stricter control. This prevents data use when background refresh is disabled, but the foreground still connects. Also review permissions like location and push notifications, because those can trigger wake events. You're balancing functionality against battery. To finish, restart your device so system services fully register the new settings. This prevents residual background tasks. Monitor battery and data usage for the next 24 to 48 hours to confirm the changes reduced activity. If an app still refreshes, clear its cache, force stop, and if needed, reinstall. Sometimes corrupted settings or vendor services override user toggles. If problems persist, check for system updates and consult app settings again, since some apps bundle persistent background services that need specific permission changes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.